guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a really exciting body tool. You guys know, if you've been here for a while, you know I love a good old face tool, red light therapy, anything that helps with anti-aging and improves my body overall. Today I'm sharing with you a body device by L&L Skin, body massager and tightening device. How cool does that sound? I have never used something like this before and I was super excited to try it out because it's so new and innovative. A lot of the times we only really see face related devices. I'm most familiar with microcurrent devices for the face. So when I saw this, I was like, what the heck is a body device? And it does the same exact thing. It lifts the skin. It helps with collagen production, which assists with anti-aging long term. I want to keep my skin preserved, snatched, tight, right, for as long as I can. Getting devices like this kind of help with that, and I'm grateful that companies make these kind of things. You just gotta know how to use it, when to use it. I'm gonna show you all of that today. This is what it looks like. So it's pretty compact. It's not too big, which is nice. It comes with this protective case on top. So you just take that off. It does have the on-off button right here. As you can see, it turns on. So this is the vibrate mode. It does have 4 different modes. So you just continue to press the button. So this is just massage with the red light therapy, and you just do little circles. Then we have the lifting. So it vibrates and does pulses with the red light. The third mode is called EMS, which is red light. And then the 4th mode is another EMS mode, which has pulsating red light. Those are the 4 modes. It's super easy to charge as well. It comes with a USB cord that you can just plug right in. It's on the side over here. It has a protective cover as well. And then it came in this little cute bag, which I thought was so nice. And a little headband. We all are pretty obsessed with these headbands nowadays. It's so funny. So I like that L&L Skin included one, and I'm glad that it comes with a little bag so that I can just keep all of this stuff together. And then it comes with a little cloth. I'm so glad that this actually comes with a cover, because a lot of devices don't come with protective covers for the part that goes on the skin. So I'm glad that I can keep this nice and clean, and then I can keep everything in this bag. I travel to my parents a lot, so if I want to bring this with me, I can just put it all in this bag and take it with me, which is super nice because I usually have a lot of stuff that I have to take there. I'm just gonna read off the key benefits to using a device like this. So the first gear is the relieving mode. So it has red light and it vibrates. The second mode is the lifting mode, and this is increasing vibration. So it's 2 times short vibration with 1 time long, and then it also flashes the red light. I talk about red light therapy all the time on my social media. It is so good for collagen production and anti-aging. So I'm glad that this device has the red light installed in it. And the EMS is the 3rd gear. So it has a weak current with flash and red light. And the 4th gear is also EMS with a strong current, red light flash, and that one also has a heating sensation. You can literally use this device all over your body, on the back of your legs if you have issues with cellulite. You can also use it on your arm. If they always call it like lunch lady arms, but if you have that, it'll tighten the skin underneath your arms. You can also use it on the girls, lift a little bit. You can also use it on your back. Wherever you have issues with skin sagging, you can use it to lift up the skin. And that's what I really like about this device, is that it focuses on lifting and firming, which is exactly what we want. You don't have to worry about this hurting at all. It's not going to give you any kind of weird feeling on the skin, which is nice. And if you use skincare products with it, it'll help with the absorption. I usually use just a body oil with this product. It just works it in so nicely. So after I get out of the shower, I'll apply all of my skincare and my body oil, and then I'll go in with the body device and do it on my arms and the back of my legs. It probably takes up to 5 minutes. That's really all you need, is 5 minutes a day. You can do 5 days for 5 minutes, keeping with the red light therapy, and you're good to go. I'm gonna show you how I personally use the device. I started off with this Saltaire body oil. I like to make sure that my skin is nice and hydrated because it makes it glide over the skin super easy. So I just turned it on. It's so easy to use, and I started off with circular motions. Now you can either do circular motions or you can go up and down, kind of like what I'm doing right now. But then later in this demo, you're gonna see that I'm just going one way. I'll just go up with it. So you can honestly use it any way that you'd like, either circular motions or going up so that it gives more of a lift with the skin. Keep in mind, this is microcurrent, so microcurrent is best for lifting, like I was explaining earlier. So I would recommend going up with it, or you can do the circular motions. Here I'm just switching to the 4th mode so that it has red light therapy and the warming sensation, and I'm just going up with it. I'm still staying on the same arm that I did the 1st mode on, and keep in mind my skin is nice and hydrated, so it's easy to move upwards. Switching to the other arm, I applied some more oil, and then I just went up with the device. This is on the 1st mode. I started off with that one, and then I go into the 4th mode. I like to go underneath my arms so that it is tightening that skin under there. And then I went to the 4th mode and did the warming sensation as well. When I'm done with it, I run it under a little bit of water just to get the oil residue off, and then I pat it dry with a towel, and I put the protective cover back on. If you guys are interested in trying this product, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below, and you can save 35% off with my code. I just love all the anti-aging products. They're so important. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later.